Hi guys, welcome back to the new video. In this video I'm going to show you how you can change your name in Valorant. So yeah, let's get started. First of all, open your app. Once you are in, you have to sign up in Riot. Click on the sign in. Now here you have to add the username or password or continue it with Google. Add your Google account. Once you're done with it, you have to click on the create account, and here you have to add your date of birth. And your Riot account is created. Now you have to go on the my account. Once you are in, you have to scroll down. Here is the personal information. You can change your email address. Now if you want to change your username, you have to just scroll down, and here you can change your username. And once you change your username, you have to enter the new password. So yeah, this is how you can change your name in Valorant.